You may feel that looking after your pool water requires special expertise, but it's simpler than you think. It's important to ensure that the pH of your water is as neutral as possible in order to guarantee the effectiveness of chlorine and other products. Expert tip: keep your pH between 7 and 7.4. Filtration plays an important role in pool maintenance. Sand that is too dirty or a clogged filter will prevent the water from being clear, no matter how many products you use or how much time and money you spend. There really isn't any golden rule when it comes to how often or when. Just be sure not to backwash too often so that you don't waste balanced pool water. Expert tip: it is recommended to do a complete analysis at the beginning of the season, then once a month afterwards. Test the water at home each week to monitor chlorine, pH, and stabilizer levels. Don't forget that having your water analyzed by a Sima specialist will guarantee a more accurate result.